Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is about Hedge Expert, and we have already made a couple of videos on that. And right now, I think like we are completing how much? Uh, I think 16 months today, and hence I'm just creating the video in front of you. This is that we started last year in on 19th of July 2021, and today is 18th of November 2022. Okay, so let's start from here. We started with 4 pairs, and that is Euro GBP, Euro AUD, AUD NZD, and GBP AUD. Okay, so I still don't suggest these 4 pairs to trade as of now, because we need to diversify the pairs. Here we have used 2 euro pairs and again 2 AUD pairs as well, right? So GBP AUD and Euro AUD, these kinds are similar because both of these currency are trading against AUD, and then again Euro GBP and Euro AUD both are euro pairs. So it is always better to diversify the pairs, okay, because in case of certain fluctuation in any particular currency, like in case if euro is going very down, then it will go down against all the currency pair most of the time, right? So I should not have used euro AUD and GBP AUD together, or either euro GBP and euro AUD together, but somehow I started, and since my balance increased, so even some kind of fluctuation doesn't make any impact on my account. Okay, but right now I do not suggest these 4 pairs to trade together. Euro GBP should not be traded with Euro AUD together, and Euro AUD should not be traded with GBP AUD, because Euro AUD and GBP AUD both are trading against AUD, right? And Euro GBP and Euro AUD both are euro pairs. So I have made presets and made settings, the changes in the settings, and there are few other pairs that you can consider. However, this is my longest running account. That is the reason I am just creating the video on this one. Probably from next year onwards, I will try to create the video on the other account with the other settings. Okay, so it is not something that you need to trade only with these 4 pairs. There are many other pairs that you can trade with. If you can go to the link that I have provided in the description, there are 3 links. One is to watch other videos of Hedge Expert, where you can see other videos that I have uploaded in the past, and there is a link where you will find uh, videos of other expert advisors. Apart from just Hedge Expert, you can see other expert advisor videos that I have uploaded in the channel. Okay, and there is another link where if you can click, that is my Google Drive link, where I used to update and post these trading reports there. So if you can click on that, you can find the trading history. We have been trading with this expert advisor since 2020, and there are many other pairs that we have traded with in different time frames. This is just for the H4 time frame that I am showing the results on, and I'm creating this video just because this is the longest trading account that I'm having right now. Otherwise I would have created it on other accounts as well, on the different kind of settings for 15 minutes, 30 minutes actually, and even day one. So I have made the settings changes in the past 2 months, but I'm not running it right now. However, I'm recommending those settings. I'm not suggesting these settings as of now. These 4 together could be too risky at this moment. Okay. So guys, I generally recommend 1000 US dollar per pair. In case of some volatile pairs like Euro AUD and GBP AUD, even I think like 1500, it should be 1500 at least, right? If you are trading now, because a lot of things have changed after the COVID situations, and many things changed after the war, the current war that is going on. If you know, like most of the people, if you know, you know already that Euro and UK, I mean, both of these are indirectly or directly involved somehow. So just because of those kind of things, like I mean, there could be a very high fluctuation, there could be very high volatility. Sometimes even during the war situations, it was there, and then later on as well. So sometimes the market is behaving abnormally. So it's not just because of these four pairs. The market is generally, I mean, the things have changed pretty much after these war situations happened. Okay, so have patience, guys. Like it's a long history, so and I do not want to cut the video in between. If you are feeling bored, then you can just fast forward and can go to the end. That's okay. But for me, actually, it is important to show each of the trade. However, I'm going a little faster because if I go through one by one trade, it will take me a couple of hours. And the same thing, like I will create the report also, and you can see it there. So, so it's the same thing. So guys, like even 1000 US dollar per pair is not sufficient to trade forex unless you know what you are doing, what kind of strategy that you are using, like whether you are using expert advisor or you are trading yourself, whatever. But if you are not using the right strategy, probably 1000 US dollar on a currency pair is not sufficient unless you choose the right pair, the right setting, and the right expert advisor, or either if you are trading manually, then right strategy, of course. So forex trading is always going to be risky because an expert advisor trades on few logics, right? And sometimes logic doesn't work in the forex market. Those kind of logic or those kind of strategies or those kind of algorithm, those kind of theories, those kind of analysis, those kind of technical or either fundamental or like whatever kind of analysis doesn't work in the forex market sometimes. And forex EA doesn't know where the war is going on, where the new pandemic or some kind of epidemic or maybe some kind of natural disaster, like whatever. And the forex market is getting impacted with each of these things. It is not just the country that has been impacted. No, it is like the whole economy of that particular segment. And in turn, it also impact the other pair that is trading you with. Like we always trade in pairs, right? If something is going wrong in euro, then euro is going down, the currency pair against that, like if you are trading euro GBP or euro AUD or euro USD, whatever, if euro is going down, then other three will be going up. So euro will be sell and you are buying the other currency. So it's always better to diversify, and at the same time try to use the pairs that are different and not USD pairs. I mean, generally, because I would not suggest you to trade with only, like, if you are trading with Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, NZ USD, AUD USD, USD CHF, or these are USD impacted pairs. If a certain news happens, and if the euro and if the USD is very positive, then all other currencies are going to be down, right? So if you are using same pairs together, then it can create high impact and can bring a lot of negative floating at that moment. So it's always better to diversify some non-USD pairs, some USD pairs, and make sure that you are not using the same currency pair together, more than one. If you have a very high equity, then probably you can try two pairs, uh, two similar kind of pairs. Not similar, I would say, like if you are using a euro pair, then you can use another euro pair, but try to avoid, in case if possible, at least try to avoid more than one USD pair together. So the video is going to be lengthy, but I can't help it. Guys, I would really request you to go through the link where you can find a trading report where we traded on M15 pair, M15 time frame, M30 time frame, H1, uh, and many other. Right, this is on four pairs. It is not something that you need to trade with these four pairs. You can trade with any pair, but that has to be the right setting. However, even the right setting, we can do it on the basis of our past experience, but we don't know like what is going to be in the future, right? So like whatever I am showing you is something that happened with my account in the past. There is no guarantee that you will find the similar kind of trading opportunities in the future with a similar kind of trades, with a similar kind of profit, whatever. This is not a financial advice to use an expert advisor. This is not a financial advice to trade forex. This is just, I'm just showing like whatever is going on in my account. Please excuse the outside voice, like uh, if you are able to hear some dogs barking outside. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I am just a normal forex trader who is deeply involved in trading using expert advisors in the past few years. So I'm not a YouTuber. So please excuse, like I do not have that kind of infrastructure or that kind of microphone or that kind of studio thing. So maybe like you can avoid the outside noise if possible. Guys, the video is already 15 minutes, more than 15 minutes. Uh, let me drag it a little down so that we at least cover few of the months at least. So we are in September now, so we can go ahead now. I do not have any intention to miss any of the trade, but I do not want to have the video so lengthy, so it will make you bored. Guys, let me do one thing. Since the trading the creation of report also will take time because it's a huge data, right? So let me do it a little early. I would say Hedge Expert, 19th July, it's 2021. Today is 18th November 2022. Okay, this is going to take time, so in the meantime we can go through this trading. Guys, it's already more than 18 minutes video. Let me scroll down a bit more. I have to do it manually. I do not want to do it, but somehow the video is going very lengthy. So now, it's already November, so it's just few days to cover. So now it should be okay. Okay, so this is the result finally, and let's see if no, it has not populated yet. It will take some time. In the meantime, let's do one thing. Okay, so let's go to the trade. What are the running trades right now? These are the running trades, minus 89 point something. Okay, and let's try I think that's going to be take a little time, so let's pause for a minute. Okay, let's see now if the report has been generated or not. Okay, now it's being generated, so let's go to this. This is the same trading history that you have seen just now in the form of account history that I have just shown, and I will upload this also in next 1 or 2 days. Yeah, there is a link in the description. If you can see, just a Google Drive link, where if you can just click, you will able to find the few trading reports that we have traded on different kind of accounts with different kind of settings and different kind of time frames in the past. Okay, and there is a link for this particular account as well. If you can just click, you will find the trading history till last week if you see it right now. But if you can see it's a few hours later or maybe 1 or 2 days later, then probably I will be able to upload this new trading history there. Okay, let me upload a little faster. I think that is more faster. Well, facing the same kind of situations, the video is already more than 21 minutes, and let me scroll it down. Okay, okay. So this is the running trade. I'm in the running trade right now, as you have just seen the moment I started creating the report. Okay, and this is the trading history. So I will upload this report in next 1 or 2 days, and if you have any query, and in case if you're interested to trade with this expert advisor, you can contact me via email or telegram. The details are there in the description. Till then, take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Look forward to talk to you in next week.